Following the internal code red Google issued in January in response to ChatGPT, some have already written off Google in the current AI race. Personally, I wouldn't be too quick to jump on that one. At its annual conference, Google seriously raised the bar with their new LLM, Palm 2, which has already overtaken the capabilities of GPT-4 in certain areas. Let's see why Google may ultimately win the AI war. First of all, a super quick overview of Palm 2 and what it can do. Google highlighted 3 big upgrades to the model's capabilities at Google I/O. The first was multilingual support. Palm 2 is more heavily trained on multilingual text, spanning more than 100 languages. Google claim the model passes advanced language proficiency exams at the mastery level. Secondly, Google state Palm 2 has improved capabilities in logic, common sense, reasoning, and mathematics. This overview compares Palm 2 to GPT-4 in several reasoning tests, with Palm 2 outperforming GPT-4 on 2 of the 3 reasoning tests listed below. Finally, Google highlighted the model's increased ability to code. They state that the model excels at popular programming languages like Python and JavaScript, but also niche languages like Prolog, Verilog, and Fortran, i.e. smaller niche languages that are less popular. So, why shouldn't we write off Google in the current AI war? Firstly, they have serious AI kudos. Their DeepMind and Brain teams have made a number of impressive achievements. They created AlphaGo, an AI that beat a professional Go player, a task that was thought impossible as the game is so complex. Secondly, they developed AlphaFold, a protein folding model that can predict the structure of proteins with unprecedented accuracy. The model's accuracy has the potential to revolutionize medicine. Thirdly, they created the transformer, the key innovation that led to the current wave of LLMs we see today, like ChatGPT and Bard. One of the key advantages that Google has in the AI race is the fact that it's loaded. As of April 2023, it had $113 billion in cash sitting on its balance sheet. Compare this to OpenAI's $11 billion in total funding to date. Training those AI models ain't cheap. But I think the biggest advantage that Google has over OpenAI is probably distribution. Google is bringing Palm 2 to all of the Google apps that you know and love, including Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slide, and Google Meet. So you'll be able to get images from text prompts, just like Midjourney, right inside all of those apps. You'll be able to get suggestions for templates, summaries, and more. Don't forget, there are a serious number of Google app users, including 2 billion Gmail users alone. Palm 2 also comes in a variety of different sizes, with the smallest model being able to run entirely on your phone, even when it's offline. This likely opens up a bunch of new use cases. When you combine this technical capability with Google's 3.3 billion mobile Android users, this is a real force to be reckoned with, and one OpenAI will have to work really hard to compete against. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing so I can make more videos like this one. See you in the next.